A little piece of plastic that can go a long way for healthcare workers on the front lines of the coronavirus crisis. WDSU's Gina Swanson is working from home tonight and has the story of how a 16-year-old is using technology to help out the most deserving.
Here's the issue. Healthcare workers who wear protective gear all day like masks have been suffering from skin damage, abrasion, and chafing. That's where Miles Mackey comes in. He's printed these little pieces of plastic that serve as ear guards. They prevent the mask from making direct contact with the delicate skin behind the ears to prevent chafing and irritation.
Did some of the research, we found a good little handy tool that we could 3D print easily and quickly and then get to our workers. So we're all in the middle of a pandemic and we're all on lockdown. So I think the main goal is to just do all that we can do to help the healthcare workers because they're the ones that are on the front lines of this pandemic.
He does this all on his 3D printer. It takes just about 4 hours to print a dozen. He has already made drop-offs to local hospitals and even has orders for some more. Miles Mackey is the product of NOLA, so it's no surprise he was able to put this technology to good use. Reporting tonight from Gentilly, Gina Swanson for WDSU News.